Hello everyone, I will show you how to make your Android home screen much cooler. So let's get started. Let's do this. You should go to Google Play and then search for Nova Launcher. I have it installed here. So you will open this one. And once you open it, it will give you a fresh start. This is usually what you will get. And now you need to go to Nova settings. First of all, you notice that if you press the home button again, you are back again to your phone's default launcher, because this is something you need to do in the Nova settings, which is set the launcher to default. So in your phone settings, you need to set the default launcher as Nova launcher. And then when you press home and home again, it will stay on the Nova launcher settings. But now we need to customize this screen. We need to do it like the one that I showed you. So once you open the Nova settings, we need to go to home screen, desktop grid. This differs from a phone to another because of the size of the screen, but since my screen is not very big, so I will go with 7 vertical and 6 horizontal icons and leave the subgrid checked, yes, and then done. Icon layout, you need to maximize the size of this one, and maybe if we did this, we need to get the icons to be as big as possible. So you choose your suitable settings for your phone or display size. And labels, no, we don't need labels. Padding, none and none. Dock, we disable this. And in the search, I like to choose this one here, this one. Wallpaper scrolling off, because I'm gonna be doing one home screen. We don't need this. Page indicator, never mind. And then we go to advanced. Look layout, this will prevent any changes to your home screen, because if you messed it up by accident or the phone was open in your pocket or stuff like that, your icons will not be messed up. So we better do this, but after we finish. The night mode, I make the night mode always on, and I pick black because I like black. So we check everything here too. You can add icon packs to the Nova launcher and pick them in the settings to be your default icons. So if you're bored of this, you can just download the icon pack that you want. But for me in this tutorial, and the one that I'm using is the one called Minimal White. That's it. You install this and then you pick it from Nova launcher. From the Nova launcher you go to looks and feel, icon style, make it adaptive icons, and the icon theme, you choose the minimal white. As you can see, I have Pixel Icon Pack installed, but you can't install, as I said, the one that you like. But for me, we are using minimal white right now. And that's it. You go to your home screen and you can see now the icons are changed. Much cooler for me. Alright, now we have 16 icons on the home screen. What you need to do now is to organize them like you want. Basically, put the stuff that you use the most closer to your thumb. So I use Dialer, of course, YouTube, WhatsApp. So we are putting this in this column close to our thumb. And you kind of put the other icon, the other column, shift it one icon and put it like that. And so on. So now you need to pick a wallpaper. So yes, that was it. If you guys have any questions, please ask me in the comments, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.